For 30 years, SR Technics has grown through innovation, commitment and passion. Our strength comes from our people, the trusted partnerships with our suppliers, and above all, the long relationships built with our customers.
Cada día en el taller es un reto y un orgullo. Ver cómo un equipo unido saca adelante cada proyecto es lo que realmente me motiva.
La planificación es clave para que todo encaje. La coordinación entre áreas es lo que hace que el trabajo fluya con calidad y eficiencia.
The true value of SR Technics lies in its people. Trust and collaboration are the foundation of every achievement.
With every customer, we build relationships based on closeness and professionalism. That trust is what helps us grow together.
Technical innovation and knowledge are part of our identity. We always look ahead to deliver better solutions.
Quality and safety are not just standards, they are part of our culture. Every detail matters because our customers trust us.
SR Technics' growth is based on financial strength and customer focus, a combination that allows us to look to the future with confidence.
The market trusts SR Technics because we deliver what we promise. Our future is based on that relationship with every customer.
Our culture is built on respect and support. Taking care of people is what makes us strong.
"30 years of history, and the best is yet to come."
We are SR